car has been through some shit. But most importantly, it was driven a lot and it was used to what it was built for. And after I drove like 5 or 6 events in a row, or yeah, something like that, I didn't do anything to it. I just bought the same paint in a spray can, and whenever I destroyed some part, I sprayed it to quickly repair it. But most important for me when building a car like this is to have a lot of fun with it. I believe that I'm better at documenting building cars than building them myself. And when there was a next level drift event on Torgastrom this year, something clicked in my head and made me think that it's the last time of the year I'll be driving this car. If the engine blows up, I don't care. If I crash, I don't care. It was 100% sand. On next level drift, last few laps were driven hard with Świetlik. Small stone from all over the world and all over the car decided to hit my front freaking lamp, and there came magic from Japanese that gave me some nice good tip. So to save some money and refresh the look of the car, he told me to buy this. So here with the save are coming Daihatsu Quore front lights, also Nissan Patrol, but also 200 SX. As you can see, they are very different from the original ones, and they look much fresher, much newer, and I just can't wait to put them on, honestly. So here we've got 2 of these bad boys. First, maybe let's do some side-by-side comparison to see how big the difference will be. Yeah, that will be perfect. Here is my front light after few laps with Świetlik on Jastrzęb. Doesn't look too good, right? Especially with those broken parts in here. Police wouldn't believe that it happened right now or something like that. Kurwa.
Co?
Nie działa.
Co nie działa? Lampa?
I took it all apart once again. It's a fuse. I reminded myself the name of it. I changed it, so keep your fingers crossed. I'll just turn on the lights and see if it's working. Fuck. Damn. Oh! Okay. Fuck. Oh. Damn, this is so strong. So, it's working, but only like one side is melted, so I need to somehow put it deeper. So hopefully when I will keep it like that, maybe I can use some tape or zip ties to hold it into its place, and it will be okay. Yes! I will turn these off and start doing this one. Okay, so the broken bolt is still in here, but but I have managed to flip out the cover so I'll be easily able to change the light and the bolt will be still there. And that's exactly why I don't like working on cars. Stuff like this happens to me all the time. I can't think of easy ways to do something. Every time I work on my car, I just pray I don't burn it down. I think it's much better now. It doesn't feel good when someone tells you that your car looks good and you know it doesn't look good in real life. Because it's like lying to yourself, lying to them, and I don't think that's alright. So that's why during this winter we'll be working on this guy and we'll bring him back to his prime, you know? Yes! I still need to figure out how to make the fuse box safe again. So for today, that will be it. I haven't been on such a ride and like cruise with friends for a long time, and probably it was the first time of our cruise like through the city, through the mountains, since I moved to Bielsko. So that's funny because it's pretty late since the season has ended and it's autumn already and the winter is coming, but hopefully, and also I'm a little bit sure that there will be more of it, because I saw that guys were happy that we're doing some cruising, that we're having fun, we ate breakfast together, we spent some time, the weather was perfect. Like at the beginning of the day, in the morning, it was raining and it was sad, and we were thinking, should we even go there? But then the sun came out, we did the cruise, that was epic. So hopefully this week, if you're watching this, it means I want to continue this series and I'm already making or have made another video. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace!